Hey, it's Noe with WTI. Have you ever been irritated that in your primary suite or in your main bedroom, there's only one vent to cool down the whole room? Well, let me show you how I've solved my problem with this quiet register booster fan from VELLEE. One of my favorite things about this booster fan is just how efficient and quiet this fan is. This booster fan has multiple settings, and my favorite setting is the fan option. It has a range from 1 to 10, and the best thing is that it's controlled all by a remote control. This fan does come with options to be able to match your thermostat, whether you're using this in the summer months to keep your room cool or in the winter to keep your room warm. You're able to adjust it depending on what setting or temperature you would like. Something really neat that I appreciated was that the cord was long enough to reach an outlet. My husband and I had no problem with sleeping at night with the fan mode on. So if you're ready to solve your problem of no airflow and want something that's quiet and efficient, then I would highly recommend this quiet booster fan from VELLEE. And that's my point of view.